only one thing to do on a day like this. What is up, guys? We're back in the garage. Obviously, a beautiful place. Looks nice and big now with the Civic gone and all the rubbish gone. This area needs to be cleaned a bit, but I'm not here to do that tonight. We are here to look after the roof of the Mini and the bonnet of the Mini, which Aaron has lacquered, and it looks amazing. Let's have a look. So before I show you the bonnet, I just want to show you Aaron threw some flake in without letting me know, but it does look sparkly as. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's mad sparkly. It looks unreal. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. So he has a cloth on the bonnet of the Mini. He wanted to see if it'd do for Reaper's roof liner. So I'm just going to take that off now and show you the bonnet. So as you can see, Aaron is a professional. He's been painting years. Obviously, he's done a better job than me. He told me the problem that I had when he set up the gun. He realised that I had the PSI dropped way too low. He said I had it at a painting PSI, and you need to really put it up on a high PSI and blow that lacquer on. He said it was going on like paint and it will cause little divots in it, which looks like orange peel, really bad orange peel. But I'm glad he got it done. Fair play to him. So I'm down here. I'm going to set up the paint stand. I'm going to sort out the boot and the arches and get them ready for lacquer for Aaron. Also, I've done a bit of shopping. So we got some new mixing cups, we got some mixing sticks, and we also got some degreaser and some thinners for mixing the lacquer and for cleaning off all the parts that need to be painted, as they do need to be thoroughly cleaned and they need to be dust free, dirt free, anything free, fingerprint free. You have to make sure that you give it a good scrub, because if you don't wipe your panels down before any kind of paint, you will get reactions. Even if you lean on the car like this after wiping it and you spray it, it will probably react to your fingerprints, because there's grease on your fingers and oils on your fingers that the paint will react to. And it might not react as bad as you think, but it will still react and you'll see it through the lacquer. Right, so enough of messing with that. Let's get this area swept over into a pile, because I'm not cleaning it up tonight, and set up this paint stand. Number 1, paint stand. Number 2, knee protection, because I'm getting old. So guys, I am going to crack on with this paint stand. It's literally a panel stand. It's just for holding panels while you paint them, prep them or lacquer them. So I'm going to crack on with this. I don't know how long they take to build. Might take me 10 minutes, might take me 30 minutes, might take me an hour. You never know. So I'm going to crack on with it. So that's built. Bit of a pig down on your own, but it is a two-man job, but you can do it on a one-man job. It's just trying to get it exactly perfect lined up on each side. Pain in the arse, but it's there. Stuff is on it, ready to rock and roll to get lacquered. I'm gonna crack on with wet sanding this roof and the bonnet now. So nice time lapse. Enjoy, guys. It's going to take me about, hopefully not even an hour. I need to leave for 8 o'clock and bring the Fiat to get its NCT sorted. It failed on emissions, so I'm bringing it back down to get the emissions sorted. I don't know whether I'm going to put the Seicento build videos up soon or after this, but yeah, the Seicento is going to be NCT tonight, and then I'm going to tax it, and then these wheels are going onto it, along with these wheel nuts that came yesterday morning. We tried them on the car earlier on, but I think we'll either need to drill these holes a little bit bigger or bring them to a machine shop and get them drilled 4x100. Either or, it's the same. Only need to be drilled out a tiny little bit for these to sit into. As you can see there, the little collars, they don't actually sit into the hole itself, as you can see. So I only need to drill that out maybe a mil, and then that will sit in on it and pull it close, and then I'm going to get a 10mm spacer so it brings the wheel out another little bit. But yeah, these fit the car perfect. The wheels do go on the car. I need a spigot ring to center the wheel, but it's only maybe a 3mm spigot ring. I'll see what I can get. So yeah, guys, let's crack on with this Mini. So guys, not much sanding needed on this, as it's actually not that bad. There's not that much grime and dirt in the actual lacquer. So I'm just going to knock it down with 2000, wet obviously, warm water with some washing up liquid in the water to make it glide over it. Obviously give it a wipe down before I start sanding, because I don't want any dirt in it scratching it. So let's get to it. So guys, that's the bonnet. The idea of flattening the car down is to get any of the lumps and bumps out of the lacquer. That will show when you actually look at it, but when you get really close, you can see it's it's actually very smooth. It's really nice after that quick going over that I done. So we're gonna crack on the roof now. Anyway, what I was saying is the idea of flattening this down is to get it really smooth, and then when you hit it with the polisher, it's gonna absolutely shine like crazy. And especially with that flake that Aaron put in it, it's gonna shine off really differently. So let's pop on to the roof. So guys, there we have it. Roof is now flattened down. As you can see, it's dry in some spaces, but it's really smooth, no lumps or bumps. So we're gonna come down either tomorrow or maybe next week. I'm in work Friday, Saturday, Sunday night. So we'll come down and we'll polish this, and we'll polish the bonnet, and then we'll give the car a once over. The car has had a quick polish before, so we're gonna give it a full detail. The arch there and these arches and boot lid need to be lacquered. So hopefully Aaron can get to do that either tomorrow or on the weekend. So then everything is ready for flattening and polishing. This will need to be flattened down, and then these will need a quick rub over and then a hand polish, because they're curved and you can't polish curved that well. So we'll do that by hand, a really quick polish. That's all I'm going to get done for tonight. So I'm going to rock on, going to get some petrol in the Seicento, get it down to the NCT, get the old NCT cert sorted, put it in the car, sort out the tax on the car, and then I'm going to start working on the car. We'll get them wheels on, we'll get the arches. I'll actually show the arches we're going to use. So we're going to use carbon mini Miglia arches. So they're carbon fibre, so we will trim them down to the size that they need to be for the wheels, but they do sit on the car nicely. They'll be trimmed down nicely, and there will be holes drilled here, and we'll make some L brackets that will sit on the car nicely. So looking forward to getting them on the Seicento, real carbon, as you can see. Then obviously the back bumper and the front bumper, the sporting ones, they're going to look much better on the car with the arches as well, with the wheels sitting out nicely. So guys, once again, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying the mini build and looking forward to the Seicento build and the Civic build. It's a lot to have on at the moment, trying to get bits and pieces done on each car, but I'm trying to get the cars done as best and as fast as I can, but obviously as best as I can, with work and family and kids and stuff always getting in the way. But you know what guys, we'll get there. This is normal life. I'm a normal person getting normal stuff done that I don't know how to do. Look, I've never lacquered before and I tried it. So yeah guys, I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget, be dedicated. Peace out.